Hi, my friends, and welcome to my channel. Today we are making a Coperni inspired fabric bag. We need pattern, fabric, interface, scissors or rotary cutter, pins, thread, and a sewing machine. Cut out the pattern. You're gonna cut two pieces of the main fabric, two pieces of the lining, and we're gonna have two pieces of interface that we're gonna iron to the main fabric, to the back of the main fabric. Main fabric, lining. We're gonna iron on the interface. Carefully. Don't let it stick to the ironing mat. Almost made the mistake to stick the iron to it. Okay. When you're done ironing the interface on both pieces of the main fabric on the back of it, you're gonna trim the excess of interface. What a mess. Anyways, so yeah, you're gonna trim the excess with scissors or rotary cutter. I used scissors for the inside where the handle is. Pin and sew the bottom. You're gonna pin right sides together, the main fabric, right sides together for the lining, of course, and sew them. The same with the lining. Turn the line in the right side and insert it in the main body of the baggie. The right sides will be together, facing each other. And we're gonna pin the inside of the handle and sew them. So we're gonna pin the pieces, line into the main body, create the handle of the bag. So just the inside right there. found it impossible for me to turn the bag inside out without clipping the handle. I should have probably left the bottom open to turn it inside out. Anyways, it worked out in the end. You iron it to make it look neat, and now you're gonna clip the handles back together and sew them together. So we're gonna sew four pieces together, 2 by 2. Lining inside the bag. Had some trouble with the pinning, but in the end it came out okay. Clip the handles and sew them like I said. So you match the seams, and you're gonna put the seams falling in opposite directions, the seam allowance actually. Okay. And after that, all we need to do is to just pin and sew the outside of the handle. So you're gonna sew all that, and I used the zigzag stitch just because I wanted to catch all the seam allowance on the inside. And you're done. Thanks for watching my video. Please like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.